Hey everybody, this is a unboxing video. I have before us the Netgear Powerline 1000. It is a 1000 megabit per second, so it says wired internet network extender. Basically, the preset for this is that it uses the existing electrical wiring in your house, like say outlet to outlet, to extend your internet network, wired internet network. I suppose if you're watching this, you already know about it, but if you don't, the reason why you'd want one of these per se is, for example, if your house is so large that you have one wireless router and it won't transmit from one part of your home to the other, you can actually use this device to extend your internet, your network, from your router to wherever you need it to be. So long as there's an electrical outlet, allegedly you can plug this in and have internet, which is great. And the reason why I'm getting this, I've upgraded my computer to a much better system, which I'm going to do a video for that as well. Probably put a link for that at the end. And I wanted to have a direct internet connection. I didn't want to have to rely on wireless, because while wireless is great because of its availability and transmittability, it's not the greatest. Everyone knows that if you're going to, say, download movies or play games over the internet or on your computer, the best connection you can have is a wired internet connection for your network. So without further ado, let's get into this and see exactly what's going on. I'm pretty sure I just said further, but I'm going to pretend like I didn't. So you and I are getting into this, just us, because I haven't opened this yet to see exactly what's going on here. You can see on the side of the box it says Gigabit Ethernet port, pick a plug LED indicator, push and secure energy saving, and let's see, 24/7 technical support, which is good, just in case I happen to need it. A lot of times I have to be my own tech support. Alright, let's do the easy way here as opposed to doing it the hard way. Okay, so, and I almost opened this without doing a video and kicked myself. I was like, what are you doing, son? You're messing up here. Okay. Alright, I'm going to leave the box sitting there so that way it's still in frame. Alright, Quick Start Powerline 1000. It has a little book here, which I'm not going to read for you and bore you with. And it has the same in, I guess that's Spanish. Let's see. Or French. Spanish or French. I'm pretty sure that that is French, because I took Spanish and it failed. Who cares? Okay. So here's this, one of the units inside. I'm not quite sure if this is the one that you have to hook up to. It looks like this might be universal. You just hook one up to your router, say, and then one to wherever you want to have the internet extended to. Your network extended. That is pretty nifty. It's small, as you can see, it's not incredibly big, it's maybe 4.5, maybe 4.5 inches tall. And there is the plug. I suppose that would be something handy to see if you, like, say, have limitations on your power supply, how you can plug things up. One thing that I have heard about these, and I'm not quite sure of, I'm going to test it out to see, they recommend not using this with a surge protector. Apparently the surge protector does something to interrupt the network transmission. So there's that. And I was reading on the side of the box, let's see if I can get that. There's something else falling. Okay, let's see here. Package contents: 2 Powerline adapters, as I've already seen, 2 2-meter or 6.5 foot Ethernet cables, and a quick start guide. And that is pretty much exactly what's inside this, because there are the 2 units and there are the cables. And here's the quick start guide. So that's pretty self-explanatory. Let's see. Appear to be Cat 5 cables, which is good. I've got some. I might Might not rely on these. I might actually use some other Cat 5 cables that I've purchased to actually operate this with. But that's exactly what you get whenever you open the Netgear Powerline 1000. And it's exactly as described in the package. There's nothing wrong with these that I can see. Hopefully I'll just be able to plug it up and go from there. That is one thing that I think. It says push and secure. I have a similar model to this. I should have done a video on it. It's actually a Wi-Fi network extender. I have that in the bedroom and it works really well. It actually comes with a wired port on the side that is extended, so it worked out great because not only do I have the benefit of the Wi-Fi now in the bedroom with a full signal, I also have an additional wired connection. So that might be something that you would want to look into as well. Instead of getting the Powerline 1000, if you wanted to get the Wi-Fi extender, just know that some models actually come with a LAN port on there, the Ethernet port right there. So if you need that instead of a wireless connection wherever you're going, probably get the best of both worlds. Like I said, I wish I had done a video on that one, but anyways, I'll put a link to the description in the description for this where you can get one. I'll also do a link in the description for the wireless one that I have that, like I said, works really well, and I might do a review video on it later. So many things, guys, that I could do videos on. But anyways, if you're looking at the Powerline 1000, I really hope this helps you out some. At least you can see exactly what you're getting in the package. And again, I might do a video once I get it all hooked up and do tests on it. Again, the new computer that I'm buying, the video is going to be at the end of this one, the link to that video for YouTube. And we'll go from there. I'll do some speed tests on it and let you know exactly what's going on there. All right, like I said, I hope this is helpful. Y'all have a great day.